Terms and conditions outline a contractual relationship between a service provider and the user of the service, also known as terms of use, terms of service, or an end-user license agreement. The primary purpose of this legal document is to limit a service provider's liability. It is not required by law, but it is a good idea to outline them for people using a product or service to protect a business against liability. This can include disclosures to customers for various types of products or services, such as blogs, e-commerce, mobile apps, online marketplaces, payments, small business operations, software as a service, websites, and WordPress. Outlining the rules and permissions a user can expect from a business helps to minimize the risk of being sued. Terms and conditions are distinct from a privacy policy, which informs a user of how their personal information will be collected, stored, and used. In contrast, terms and conditions are more like rules of engagement that the customer agrees to by using the product or service. A terms and conditions document should include several key components, such as business information, payment terms, user accounts, age restrictions, intellectual property rights, privacy policy, indemnification, and governing law. The document should identify the business presenting the terms and conditions, including contact information, and cover matters related to payments, such as cancellation policies and in-app purchases. If applicable, it should indicate the rights and responsibilities associated with a user account, including the business's right to terminate an account. Age restrictions should be addressed, stating whether parental consent is required for minors to use the website. The agreement should also address intellectual property, stating that all information or materials on the website belong to the website and cannot be reproduced. A privacy policy should be indicated, and the terms and conditions should indemnify the company, stating that it is not liable for damages caused by the misuse of its content. Finally, the terms and conditions should identify the governing law and state that the website is protected from other laws in different jurisdictions. To be legally enforceable, terms and conditions should be clear and conscious, meaning ethical and appropriate. It is also recommended to ask users to click, "I agree," or acknowledge the terms and conditions in some way, rather than simply posting them. This helps to prove that the user read the terms and conditions, which can be useful in court. A court will consider the content of the terms and conditions and whether they were prominently displayed for users. While terms and conditions do not have to be signed, they should be displayed somewhere so that the user can read them.